Hello, beautiful babes. Oh my goodness. I have an exciting skincare treat in store for you in this video. Something that I'm known for is diving into the world of natural beauty. And today what we're going to be doing is a DIY Greek yogurt anti-aging. I did say anti-aging mask, and that's what I'm wearing right now. If you're looking to rejuvenate your skin and reduce the signs of aging, you're in the right place. In this video, excuse me, I'm waiting for mine to dry, but that's the real deal. That's what it's all about. It's nourishing my skin, and baby, it's oozing out the goodness all over. So I'm loving that. But y'all, in this video today, we're going to explore the incredible benefits of each ingredient that is in this mask. And I'm going to show you step by step how to create this mask and apply it to your face. So what I need for you to grab right now is your Greek yogurt, your honey, and olive oil. And as an optional item, you can also grab some fresh squeezed lemon juice. So let's get started on the path to radiant, youthful looking skin. And hold up, don't ever forget to hit the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed to the channel, and the like button as well. Definitely, if you found this video helpful today. Now, without further ado, let's jump into the world of natural anti-aging skincare. So I told you to grab your Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt has amazing benefits for anti-aging, including lactic acid. Yes, Greek yogurt contains lactic acid, which is a gentle exfoliant. It helps remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and promotes skin renewal. It also contains probiotics that can help balance the skin's microbiome, promoting a healthy complexion. Now, we all know when it comes to Greek yogurt and yogurt, it provides natural moisture to the skin, keeping it hydrated and reducing the appearance of fine lines. Now, I also ask you to grab your honey. Honey is a natural humectant. You're talking about hydration. That means it attracts and retains moisture in the skin, helping to keep it soft and supple. It also contains antioxidants that can promote the skin from free radical damage and support skin health. Now, the third ingredient I mentioned was olive oil, which is antioxidant rich. Yes, it's rich in antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols, which help protect the skin from oxidative stress and premature aging. It also provides deep hydration, making the skin smoother and more elastic. Olive oil has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe irritated skin. Now, if you can use lemon juice, you may do so. I did not include the lemon juice in mine, but let me tell you the benefits of adding lemon juice. Lemon juice is a great source of vitamin C, which is known for its brightening and collagen boosting properties. This lemon juice also contains citric acid that helps to exfoliate the skin and promote a more even tone. It also contains astringent properties that help tighten and firm the skin. I did not use the lemon juice in mine only because I've been using, of course, my lactic acid and retinol daily, so therefore I just forego other acidic items right now on my skin. I think that would just be overkill. So we are going to combine these ingredients. When combined, these ingredients work synergistically to provide hydration, exfoliation, antioxidant protection, and overall rejuvenation, making this Greek yogurt mask an excellent choice for anti-aging skincare. Again, if you're using the lemon juice, be cautious, as it can be irritating for some skin types. If you have sensitive skin, you may want to reduce the amount or omit it from the mask altogether. Also, always perform a patch test before applying any new skincare product to your face. Let me give you the measurements of what you'll need for this. For the Greek yogurt, go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of the Greek yogurt. For the honey, that's going to give that extra hydration, just 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, doesn't matter, just add that in. Also for the olive oil, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, however you want to do with that. Now, when it comes to the lemon juice, only a couple of drops is necessary, not a whole lot there, okay? Now, you're going to mix this Greek yogurt, honey, olive oil, and if you're choosing to put in the lemon juice, mix it all together in a bowl until it's combined well. Apply the mixture to your clean face and your neck, avoiding your eye area. Now, I'm leaving my mask on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then I'll rinse off with lukewarm water and pat my skin dry, and I'll finish up with my regular skincare routine, moisturizer, sunscreen, whatever you're needing. Now, this mask can be done 1 to 2 times a week. It will help improve your skin texture and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles over time. Again, once or twice a week is how often you can use this mask. Now, this anti-aging mask can be kept in your refrigerator for a short period of time, typically 3 to 4 days. However, it's essential to note that since this mask contains natural ingredients like yogurt, honey, and lemon, they may lose some of their effectiveness and freshness over time. I try not to make too much of it, just for the week that I'm using it, and more than likely within the next couple of days I'll go ahead and use that other portion and I'll be done with that. So don't over make it, okay? Don't make too much of it. So now that I have put this on, let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, I'll go and rinse it off, and I'll come back to y'all with my final look of my skin before I apply any kind of moisturizers, etc. And there you have it, the secret to radiant, youthful skin, right here from your own kitchen. I certainly hope you enjoyed this DIY Greek yogurt anti-aging mask tutorial. And remember, consistency is key, so make it part of your skincare routine for best results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic beauty and skincare tips. Have questions or want to share your experience with this mask? Feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you, beautiful babes. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now.